Hello everyone, this is my review of the LEGO Technic bucket wheel excavator. It's a very big model. In fact, it's the biggest Technic set that they've released so far. It's very big. It's got power functions as well, as you can see over there, and it's very big. Even has this little mining truck that comes with it. Very cool. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you everything that's included and all of its major functions. So this is the actual bucket wheel excavator itself. It's very big, and it's very mechanical, I should say. It's got a lot of gears and everything that move down here as well, inside the actual body. So probably the most coolest thing about this is the power function. Let me turn it on. Then turn the actual thing on. As you can see, it moves. Very nice. And the actual conveyor belt moves as well. And this actually does flow on, and this moves as well. So let's take it back, and it can actually move as well. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know if you can see that, but it actually moves very slowly. Let's turn that back. Yeah, it's pretty loud when the power functions are on, but I don't know. Yeah. You can also manually move up and down the actual scooper, whatever. Now you can see it's at a different angle. This took me about I'd say 2 days. Yeah, about 2 days took me to build it. Not much of a challenge, but I suggest if you're a beginner at LEGO, or you don't really know how to make Technic, well, I suggest that you don't buy this until you've got some experience, because this is it requires a lot of experience and a lot of mechanical work, I should say. So yeah, I bought this about $350. It used to be $400 at the local Lego store that I go to. These are in, by the way, these are in Australian prices. So if you're in the United States or UK, you probably get this for a little bit cheaper. But it's wise to buy it now while you still can. In a couple of years' time, this will be at least $800, or probably even higher, brand new on eBay. So yeah, now let's move on to. So this is the little mining truck that they give you. Well, this thing is for mining as well, supposedly, and yeah, it's really cool. It moves as well. Very cool. You can just press that little thing, and the wheels turn. And also at the bottom there's another one here. If you move that, it tips out, but I don't want to do it because they've even included bricks as well. which is cool. So yeah, there's nothing much to say about this little mining truck, but it's pretty cool. Now this is the actual instruction manual, where it's pretty thick, and it's actually the thickest that I've seen, and it's huge, and it's got like 700 steps and stuff like that. So if you're not familiar with Lego, especially the sets, usually in a set like this, they'd give you plastic bags, and they would label them like 1, 2, 3, and 4 for like each step, and then you put it all together. And like here, it shows you that number 1 was for the truck, number 2 is for the body, 3 is legs, 4 that part, 5 the back conveyor belt, 6 the actual arm. Actually, the arm was probably the biggest challenge for the build, and 7 is just the power function area. That 8 is just like minor details. So yeah, that's the instructions. Yeah, amazing. So this is the box that is included, of course. This box is really big. It even has like a huge flap, or like one of these flip up stuff, and it shows you everything, which is cool. Now, usually with Technic, they usually say 2-in-1, which is like with the same parts that they give you, you can go on the Lego website and make an alternate model, which is this thing. This is, I think, a sorting machine, where it sorts out all these bricks. Like you got this dome-looking thing. You got this, cylinder-looking brick, which is cool. But I always like to stick with the actual model that they give with the actual instructions. So that's it. The Lego Technic bucket wheel excavator, set number 42055. Very impressive. I really like what Lego has done. It's amazing, to be honest. And it's probably the best Lego set that I've ever bought. Yeah, I'm really impressed with what I've done. I didn't think that I could make this, but I did it. So yeah, I'll be doing more of these videos in the future. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video.